Finding the right web scraping partner can be harder than it looks. You need reliable data to make decisions, but many teams run into the same problems: broken scrapers, messy data sets, hidden infrastructure costs, or tools that simply can't scale. That's exactly why many companies choose ScrapeHero. ScrapeHero is a fully managed web scraping service trusted by over 14,000 businesses, including Fortune 50 companies. For the past 10+ years, we've been helping companies turn public web data into actionable insights. But what actually makes ScrapeHero stand out? First, reliability. ScrapeHero maintains an industry-leading 98% customer retention rate, which shows that clients continue to rely on the service for consistent data delivery month after month. Second, data quality. ScrapeHero uses AI-powered quality checks along with manual QA to monitor millions of data points every day. These automated systems detect inconsistencies, errors, or changes in website structures before they disrupt your data pipeline. Third, enterprise-grade infrastructure. Instead of managing proxies, servers, and scraping tools yourself, ScrapeHero handles the entire process, from building custom scrapers to cleaning, formatting, and delivering structured datasets ready for analysis. And finally, scale. ScrapeHero's infrastructure can crawl thousands of pages per second and extract data from millions of web pages every day, helping businesses track markets, competitors, and consumer trends in real time. For e-commerce brands and business leaders, this means one thing: you focus on insights, not data collection headaches. If you're tired of unreliable scraping tools or managing complex infrastructure, a managed service like ScrapeHero can simplify the entire process.